stamp.
There's a bracket in the back. But look at this. Wes got it apart. You've been busy, Wesy.
Just a little bit.
You know what sucks is I get to put this together by myself.
Yeah, this shit won't be back.
No, this shit won't be back for 9 weeks. Like that ass. It's gonna be next year. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, yay. So that comes out. Wow. Man, you had to take a lot of stuff apart. And we gotta hide that switch a little better, huh?
Yeah. That's one I need right there.
You found the wiener?
I found the wiener. Yeah, I would not been able to get that from the back. Nope. The firewall's like right there.
Well, good to know.
Yeah.
Off to S&M Electrotech. We have to keep all the knobs here. They always tell you do not send the knobs because they are not responsible for their issues.
Oh god, that thing's a fucking asshole.
At least it's like a spring, dude.
Oh,
Did you just call this thing an asshole?
yeah.
That's fucking cute. Connector.
Yeah. These can you hold that? These connectors are assholes.
Hurry, I gotta fart.
Oh my god.
There's one.
2. Zero's out.
Alright, there it is. Wow. That took forever. Good job, Wesy. You look exhausted.
It's a little warm.
Yeah. Alright. Button up in here. Tidy up. Maybe just set everything on there.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
But don't screw it down. I'm gonna tell Dennis, hey, don't be taking the car out. But make it so it moves. Awesome. Glad we don't have to deal with that one because that one's nice. That one yucky. That one nice. That one yucky. That one nice. Wow, man. The mirrors, dude.
Sorry.
Were you doing something with one of
I'm
these and a
slow.
razor blade?
I'm slow. My head was...
That would have sped you up, actually. Never mind. Of course you weren't doing that. You would have been done an hour ago.
I was upside down, man. Blood's still trying to go back down. Too much blood in the head.
Yeah. Thank God it didn't go to the other one. Be like, go take 5 minutes in the bathroom. Better not hear any weird noises. All right, so that's done. That's going to S&M Electrotech. Wonder if they got some S&M going on in there, or are they just pretending? Ooh, freaky bitches. All right, let's button this up, Wesy.
Yes, sir.